So what if I could guarantee you results, success in both your business and success in your life, success and happiness in your life? Hey, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and stick with me. I am for real. I'm going to give you 2 questions that are going to guarantee you success. Guarantee you success in your business and guarantee you success in your overall life. Stick around to the end because this is just crazy important. I can tell you what buttons to click. I can tell you the strategies and the techniques and all this kind of stuff, but I do that for so many people and so few people actually succeed. Well, with these 2 questions, you can be one of them. So what's question number 1? Question number 1 is when you're going to do something, anything, seriously, anything at all, number 1 question to ask yourself is this going to better my life? Is this going to better my life? Now, what life, meaning your relationships, your family, your health, your faith, all of those things in my mind, I'm categorizing as life in one big thing, right? That's like what life's about, those 4 things. So is what I'm about to do going to better my life? So if that means sitting down and video gaming all night, well, ask yourself that question. Netflixing, right? Ask yourself the question, is that going to better my life? Well, it might if maybe you're bonding with your kid or your wife, you're spending time together. That might be the case. Most of the time, when you're sitting down to video game or you're kind of addicted on your phone, you're thumbing through Facebook, most of the time that's going to be a no. So what could you do that would better your life? What personal development books could you read? You could be spending time in meditation, time in prayer, time playing games, talking with your family members, chatting on the phone with a friend, meeting your neighbor. Ask yourself if it's really going to better your life. If it's not, you probably shouldn't be doing it. You probably shouldn't be spending your time doing it because guess what? Time is the most precious thing that we have. People think money is like the end all be all. Money is nothing, guys. Time is everything. Time. So your time is everything. It's precious. You only have today once. You're never going to be able to redo today. You've got 24 hours. That's it. And it's gone. Like that. So how are you going to use it? Are you going to use those moments to better your health, better your family, better your faith, bring joy, and better your relationships? It's up to you because you only got 24 hours, guys. That's it. So how are you going to use them? You're going to go, thinking about vegging out on the couch, taking another nap, doing whatever, or heading to the gym, going for a walk with your children. Is it going to better your life? Just this one question alone will change your life. It will. Because success is made in the little decisions. That little decision to have a second piece of cake. That little decision to go to bed instead of do your prayers. The little decisions, which means not playing the game your son's asking to play with you and, sitting and thumbing through your phone. The little decision to ignore your child trying to get your attention because you're, updating your status one more time. That's what life's about, those little decisions. You will find success or failure based on how you respond to those little decisions throughout each day. So ask yourself, is this going to better my life? If it is, do it. If it's not, find something else that will. The second question that you need to ask yourself to create success in your business is almost the same question, a little different, guys. Is this going to create success in my business? Is this going to create success in my business? So if that means heading out to the bar that night or going through that training that you purchased and actually implementing it, ask yourself as you're putting your shoes on to head out the door, is this going to better my business? No? Okay. Find something that will better your business. Take it seriously. Take it as a business, not just as a hobby. Treat it as a business. If you can ask these 2 questions throughout your day whenever you're making these tiny decisions that you might not even be aware of. So you got to be aware of these decisions to pig out, to overeat, to veg, to be lazy, to procrastinate, to ignore your family. You need to train yourself to ask these 2 questions. Is this decision that I'm making right now, is that going to better my life? Is this decision that I'm making going to better my business? If the answer is no to both of those 2 questions, you shouldn't be doing it. The most successful people in life who not only have amazing businesses and income, but have amazing lives and they're happy and joyful, those 2 questions are it. If it doesn't better their life, better their business, they're out. It's discipline, incredibly disciplined. But I will guarantee you will find joy, you will find happiness, and you will find success in your business if you live by those 2 decisions. Success is made in those minute, tiny little decisions every single day. So own it, understand it, implement it. Ask yourself these 2 questions throughout your day, every day, because you only have that moment one time. You only have that opportunity to make the most of that moment one time. So do it. Don't waste your time. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create time freedom, the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, if this is the very first video of ours that you're watching, we'll say hi. We'll welcome you to the community, but also make sure that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so that we can help you, that we can continue to give you training, insights, motivation to help you create the business, the time freedom that you're looking for, that you and your family deserve. Up next, make sure to watch this video that's floating up above my head. Click that over there. Head over to that video. Again, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and I'll see you soon.